Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to allow camera access on the X, formerly known as Twitter, app for PC after the new update. If you've been trying to use your camera for posting, video tweets, or even joining spaces, and it's just not showing up, don't worry. The fix is simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, make sure you have the X app open on your computer. Once it's loaded, look toward the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see the familiar 3 dots icon. Click it. This menu gives you access to all your settings and account tools, including privacy options. Next, scroll down a little and find Privacy. Once you click it, select Manage Privacy Settings. This section is where all your permissions and account safety tools are located. After entering, look for the part labeled Permissions for this site. This is the area that controls what X can and can't use from your device. Once you're in Permissions, find the camera option. If it's currently set to block, that's what's been preventing your camera from working. All you need to do now is switch it to Allow. This tells your browser and the X app that it's okay to use your computer's camera whenever you want to record or stream. After making this change, it's a good idea to refresh your page or restart the X app. Then try opening a new post or camera feature to double-check everything's working. Your system might also show a quick pop-up asking for confirmation. Make sure to choose Allow Again if prompted. And that's it. You've just enabled camera access on the X app for PC. Now you can capture videos, create posts, and join live conversations without any interruptions. If this guide helped, don't forget to share it with others who might be stuck on the same issue. Enjoy creating on X with your camera fully ready to go.